So I decided to do this thing tonight, and I just wanted to emphasize on how bright the moon is. It's almost a full moon. Like, you can barely see anything on the phone, but yeah. I'll turn the lights on. Hang on. Oops. This is telescope with a hammer taped to it, because without this hammer, well, first of all, the telescope can't properly get the angle it needs to view the moon. So what it needs to do is go on top of a few books I have. So I attached the hammer to keep its center of mass down here instead of over here, where it would just tip over that way. So counterbalance it. My box of tools, I guess. Flip that around. Okay. Put this over here. Over here. Speed this up a little bit. I want to turn off the lights so I can actually see this moon. Okay. Momentary pause. Okay. I already have this thing locked onto the moon, so I'm gonna see if you guys can see it. Make sure it adjusts. I think you guys can see it. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Switch it. Okay. So this is not ideal. Well, I have great eyes. Dang. It's very. I guess the camera's exposure is not good enough to capture the stars, but I think I'm gonna try anyways to do it, and I'll point out some constellations if that sounds nice. Ooh, look at that. Hang on. So the thing with capturing stars is that you don't want the moon right there, because it blocks out all the stars' light, but it's also a plane. But if we go over here, you zoom into the sky, you can barely make out stars. And those bright ones right there, that's the Big Dipper. Let's see if we can spot any more. That might be Draco. Not sure though. Orion's usually this time of year. Maybe over there. Oh, it might be near the moon. That sucks. Might need a refresh on the constellations. I can barely see any with this giant moon. It's so bright. But the moon photography is actually really good on this thing. So maybe this will just be like a talking video about space, I guess. Let me zoom that back out. See what? Okay. So what I would really like to do for these types of videos is like go on a really dark place when it's like a new moon instead of like an almost full moon. I don't know my lunar phases. I know almost everything about space except for my lunar phases, because I'm more of an astrophysics person than I am an astronomy person, even though I'm not the best at math. My flashlight is being stupid right now. If you want to see that one more time, it's right there. Turn down the brightness. Yeah, you can just see it. It's pretty cool. I guess I'll just revert to a talking video, because this didn't really go as planned. Spooky. I do want to do things about space, but I'm not sure if I can do this because I don't have a very good camera. Clearly. We were able to see the moon and a few of its seas, Sea of Tranquility, which was the big one on there, I think. The lunar bunny, lunar rabbit, I think it was called. You can make out that too. And it's pretty cool. The moon is about 240,000 miles away from the Earth, which is far, and it's kind of hard to imagine that 3 people, well, at a time, for about 5 times, 6 times? I forgot the exact number. There's Apollo 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, so 5 times, 13 failed. Just imagine being up there and then looking back down at Earth. It's the observer effect? No, I don't think that's what it's called. Yeah, I need to review that, but... what's also crazy is that the range at which we can see stars is only a couple hundred light years in every direction. So a large part of the galaxy is actually, like, unviewable, because most of the stars are in a couple hundred light years, and the rest that we can see are very bright or part of the galactic bulge. So only on, like, very clear, very dim nights can you see the galaxy as a whole, because it's so dark. I mean, I feel like everyone should look out at the stars sometimes and just think about life, because sometimes people don't do that enough and then make rash decisions, I guess. But it's also really cool to think about the philosophy behind the universe. You know, like, why everything is, or maybe that question is meaningless. Maybe there is no why, it just happens. But, yeah. Maybe I need to get some new video ideas, because no. I'm probably maybe gonna do more in public stuff, maybe like vlogs. Don't want to do another vlogging channel. I mean, not another one, but I just feel like that's kind of repetitive for types of channels. Maybe I'll do more like talk videos, maybe that's just for me. But I'd also like to expand a lot on content. Well, this is an astronomy video, so I'm gonna try and get the moon one last time. I mean, by just looking at all the shapes on the moon, all its valleys and its seas. Really just, I don't know, kind of put some perspective that this isn't the only place in the universe, if that makes any sense. Like, puts us on an idea how, like, small we are. And even the moon is small, but it looks big with all the just mountains and valleys and seas you can see from just down here. And to imagine, like, all the stars, almost all stars have planets and their mountains and their clouds and their cores. It's kind of hard to imagine. I don't think anyone can comprehend that, and it's might be useless trying to, but it's good to appreciate the grandness and all that. It's very thought-provoking, at least for me. Oh, there's another plane. I don't even know what the point of this video was. It's supposed to be an astronomy video. Kind of flopped. But that's what making mistakes is about. You make a mistake, you learn from it, and you improve. This was a moderate mistake, and I'm just testing where I'm going to go with this channel at this point. If you ever get a clear night like this, you should go outside and look at the stars. At least think, not about the stars, or maybe put something in perspective in your life. It's very wonderful. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll do the outro with my face. Thank you for watching this video. Jesus, that's so bright. Thank you for watching this video. See you maybe in like this weekend, because I'm gonna make more videos. Probably try to see what suits me, I guess. Thank you.